Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike with Plugin Tube. I'm here to show you another awesome WordPress plugin. This one actually just got released, I believe, today to the WordPress repository. So it's going to be a fresh plugin and a fresh video for everyone in the community. So I think this is going to be kind of cool. Basically, let me tell you what this plugin does a bit. Say, for example, you guys have a blog where you do a lot of advertising, maybe Google AdWords or whatever it may be. And you like to paste the code inside some of your posts, or every time you create a post you paste the code in and you get the advertising set up. But that can be tiresome and cumbersome trying to find the code every time you create a blog post. So this plugin makes that job so much easier. It automatically inserts the code you set in this plugin to every post you've created and every post you're gonna create automatically for you. You don't have to do anything except set it once and you're good. This does more than that though. Maybe you don't do advertising within your post. Maybe you want a contact button or contact link inside every post you create so people can easily get in touch with you. This plugin can do that as well. So let's get started with looking for the plugin. For some reason this plugin is kind of weird with the search. I think it's because it's a brand new plugin within the repository, but you have to literally type in the name of the plugin exactly to find it. So here it is, DPA bottom of post page. DPA doesn't work. DPA bottom doesn't work. You literally have to type it out together, one word, DPA bottom of post page, and search. It'll be the only plugin that comes up, so we're going to go ahead and install it once you find it. And you're going to go ahead and activate it on your site or network activate, as mine is a multi-site network. Once we do that, we're going to go to my test site. And once you've got it activated, you go to your settings menu and you will see a menu or a menu item for this plugin, bottom of page menu. So once you get there, there's a lot of different kinds of settings. Don't get scared about it. It's actually very simple and very cool. So what we're going to do, it allows you to set how many messages you want to appear at the bottom of every post or page. We're going to focus on post here, but you can do the same for pages. For the sake of a test in a video, we're going to make this short and easy. We're going to just put one. I want one message to show up on the bottom of every post I have created and every post I'm going to create. And we're going to submit after you make that change and add one message. So something I messed up on when testing this plugin is I didn't notice that you actually have to click display before this plugin will work. Don't freak out if it's not working. Make sure you select display for display at bottom of a post, and make sure after you click display you make the change saved by hitting set display. So there we go. One message at the bottom of every post is what I want, and I want to set it to display. Otherwise this plugin is silly and useless. So here's the message area. Whatever you type in this box will show up on every post you create and every post you created in the past. Very, very powerful and cool. So just to show you, on my demo site, I have this plugin testing site post. This is a post. Nothing here, just blank, test post. But if I want to add something like a message saying, let's testing bottom of post plugin. As you see, it's not on the front end on this post, but it is going to be in just a moment once we hit save post messages. You got to be careful with this. For some reason the CSS is off on this plugin. I'm sure they'll get it fixed eventually, but for now, when you type in the message area, make sure to scroll all the way down to find the button that says save post messages and save it. It's a little tricky, but once you do that, refresh the post and voila, it shows up. The content shows up on every post you create or have created. Testing bottom of post plugin. For the sake of a test, to make it look even cooler, let's use one of their examples on the right-hand side. They gave a lot of examples. We're going to use one that inserts some Google AdSense, I believe. So we'll copy that code. The very cool thing about this is HTML friendly, so you can use plain text or HTML in the message area. I'm going to paste the code in and hit save post messages. Then I'm going to refresh my post again, and as you see, Google Ads shows up. This code is incorrect. Of course, it's just an example, but you'll see how it'll show up on every post you create. So very nifty. If you don't do advertising, I don't like advertising personally on my blog, so I wouldn't use this for that purpose, but I would use it for, say, a contact button or a contact link. So if someone reads my blog and they want to contact me, but they don't want to do a public-facing comment, they can easily just click a button and say, I'm going to contact them through a contact form or what have you. This can actually add that to every post I create, so I don't have to go in and actually manually add that link every time I create a post. So this is very powerful, very cool. Just make sure, again, it's bottom of post page. DPA bottom of post page is what it's called. New plugin, and every day I'm amazed at how cool plugins keep getting in WordPress. So thanks and kudos to the plugin author of this plugin, as well as every other plugin that we use and take advantage of in the WordPress community. Again, this is Mike with PluginTube. Go to plugintube.com and submit your own video, or submit a plugin you like that you want me to review, and I'll be glad to do that. So yeah, plugintube.com. Have a good day, guys.